Perhaps this is the moment for which you have been created. Esther chapter 4 verses 14. Waakye is hands down one of the best rice recipes we have in Ghana. It is one of the most popular street food that we have in Ghana. It is basically made from rice and beans, and one special thing about this is you can have it any time of the day. If you are interested in knowing how to make the best waakye, please stay tuned while we make this together. And I also like to welcome you back to the Lovystouch food channel. Let's get started. So I have here 3 cups of black-eyed beans, and to that we have our rice, which we are going to use 2 different kinds of rice today. We have here 1 cup of the local Ghanaian brown rice, which is popularly known as kyinkafa, and I'll be mixing it with 1/2 cup of the jasmine rice. And to that we have our dried sorghum leaves and some bicarbonate soda, that is the ikon if you're in Ghana, and some salt. Very easy and simple ingredients right here. Okay, so first thing first, you need to semi-cook your beans. I have washed these beans. Okay, you can also choose to leave it overnight if you think it will take a longer time. All right, so we will add our dried sorghum leaves and lots of water to cover the surface. And to help these beans cook faster and also get enough of the reddish color from the sorghum leaves, we're going to add about 1/2 tablespoon of our bicarbonate soda. Give it a mix, and we will leave these beans to semi-cook for about 15 minutes. So this was about 5 minutes into cooking. We can see that the red color is just giving us life right here. And you just want to make sure that you don't lose lots of the water. So about 17 minutes ish. The beans was not too soft, neither was it so hard, so it was the perfect time for us to add our rice. So here I'm going to take out the sorghum leaves because I really don't like it sticking onto my rice, but you can definitely use it if you want more of the red color. Okay, I'm taking it right here, and I'm going to now add our rice. Just look at what I was talking about. And to make your beans cooking extra easy and faster, be sure not to add salt right from the beginning. It's something that I have learned here, and I am so incredibly thankful for that. Please, if you're using your salt right away, be sure to end that. Okay, so we are going to season it now. So as you can see, the water has really dried out, and we want our waakye to be very soft and fluffy. So we're going to add a little bit more water, and I washed the sorghum leaves, and that is the water that I will be adding here. Okay, so right now we're going to wash our rice and add it right here. So this type of rice comes with a lot of chaff and other foreign material, so you need to work on it a little bit. Anytime that I get this type of rice, I make sure I work on it in bulk and save it, just so that anytime that I'm using it to cook, I don't waste that much time. Okay, nobody is going to tell you to wash your rice with this type of rice, so go ahead and wash it about 4 to 5 times until it is crystal clear. Exactly how this should be, looking very nice and clean. So now we're going to add it to the beans and make sure we give it a good stir, and also season it with a bit of salt to taste. Okay, You can also decide to add a little bit of water here or later. It doesn't really matter. But I added about half cup or quarter cup of water and then cover it for about 15 minutes and make sure it is on medium heat. Okay, so after 15 minutes, this is how our rice is looking out. You need to give it another stir. Everything is well stirred and combined. I go ahead and cover it this time around with my aluminium foil. You can also use some baking paper to cook from low to medium heat for about 10 minutes. Minutes later, I saw that the waakye was a little bit dry, so I sprinkle a little bit of water on top and then cover it again for 5 more minutes, and after that your waakye should be done. I really like my rice to be singled out, but never for a waakye recipe. I want it soft, fluffy and very mushy. Now just have a look at this. Absolutely incredibly beautifully cooked, right? It is soft, fluffy and everything you want your waakye to be. Smells absolutely amazing. The kyinkafa rice really took it to the next level. And let me know, what is waakye without your tali, avocado, serving it in your leaves, shito? Oh my goodness. Some fish, eggs, some properly made stew. Listen, it was really banging. This waakye was so good. I bet you can even have it on its own. It's so good and so soft, exactly how it should be. Okay, thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. I really appreciate your time with me here. I really enjoyed your company. Really hope you learned a thing or two, which is my main goal, why I share recipes with you. Thank you so very much, family, for watching. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on now. Please be sure to subscribe and join this family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.